Hi, my name is Tara, and I am the owner of Green Tara Holistic Healing. We are an organization that provides innovative holistic healing workshops, trainings, one-on-one coaching sessions, and retreats to facilitate positive change within the individual and the community. Our vision is to co-create the new earth by raising consciousness, something our society needs right now. We do this with our core values in mind: integrity, commitment, compassion, passion, dignity, and accountability. Please visit our website at www.greenteraholistic.com to learn more about our services. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon.